What you doing, Luke?
Fishing, that's what.
Oh, look at that. I just came over just to get a picture of you fishing and you catch a fish.
What type is it?
He was deep.
Take him off, Zach. Take him off.
Okay. And the other name for him is a gray snapper.
I can see his little tiny teeth.
The problem is he's not legal because he needs to be 11 inches long.
Oh.
Okay.
So you
But
gotta
that's
push
a
him
good
off
one. You
him.
need to take pictures of your first fish. You ever catch a fish before?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, did you?
I caught a pufferfish.
Where?
over there.
Over there.
I never.
No, I mean before.
Yeah, Boy Scouts.
Where?
I think in Independence.
Where?
Independence.
I missed it.
Pretty heavy thunderstorm with hail. There's hail. I don't know if I dare open this window. It's gonna rain on me. They're at the Walmart. We're getting some stuff for vittles tonight. Vittles. Doesn't like the lights.
Fillet there and we'll just
Yum. Cleaning the fish. Where's the fish?
Over there.
Well, there's some fish right there.
And there's stinky, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You did? How is it? Hot?
Fish for dinner. Yeah, so we're watching Traveling Robert while we travel.